First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the headlight, and here I am going behind to show you guys the bulbs. Notice there's that location for the low beam bulb right there if you could see. And a little on the other side, notice there's that location for the high beam bulb right there. We'll jump onto the low beam bulb first. What we'll do is we'll grab the plug first and then turn it counterclockwise. There you would notice the plug along with the bulb just comes out completely, and that is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. I'm just going to pull it a little upside. Now to take out the bulb itself, the plug actually has a tab right there visible. We'll just lift up that tab upside and then pull the bulb outwards. There it is. And that is how we take out the low beam bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure you never touch the glass portion with bare hands. If you're wearing gloves, then that's fine. And if you're not wearing gloves, then do not touch the glass portion because our hands have some sort of oil. And if that oil gets stuck on the glass, down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the glass portion, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. First, we'll take the bulb closer to the plug. We'll grab the plug from right here. Notice the tap side of the plug, which is right there. It should match with the tap side of the bulb right here. We'll go ahead and press in the bulb and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, the bulb is completely in, and notice it's also not coming out anymore. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug along with the bulb where we took it out from. We make sure the bulb is completely in first. You may have to wiggle a little bit until you could completely get it in position. Once the bulb is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, that one is completely in. To show you guys the replacement for high beam bulb, I would need to remove this bunch of housing right here. It's holding on to this bracket right here. I'll be using a flathead screwdriver like this. We'll use the tool to press the tab from the right and left until we are completely able to pull it out. Right side is pulled out. Also punch in the tool from the other side. In my case, I ended up going back and forth multiple times until I was completely able to pull it down. There it is. Once this is taken out, now you would notice we have more space and the side is more accessible. Here was the position where we took out the low beam bulb, and underneath right there is the location for the high beam bulb. You may need to push this housing a little bit on the corner. Now we grab the bulb and then turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. With a little wiggle there, you would notice we were able to pull out the bulb along with the plug. While pulling the bulb out, notice there's a housing in the middle. You just have to work your way out. Now to pull out the high beam bulb, it's a slightly different process. Notice the plug has a tab right there. You could see that at the end of the plug. We'll press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. That is how the bulb is taken out. Just like that. Again, in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure you never touch the glass portion with bare hands. If you're wearing gloves, that's fine. Because our hands have some sort of grease, and if we end up touching the glass portion with bare hands, that oil will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. Just notice where you see that tab on the bulb side. We have to make sure it is towards the tab side of the plug right there. So we'll just go ahead and punch in the bulb inside the plug and then press the bulb down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb where we took it out from. Again, you would have to just slide this housing aside just to have a clear view. We'll punch in the bulb completely in first. Once the bulb is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, the bulb is completely in, also not coming out. With that, we are also done with the replacement of high beam bulb. We'll come back to that big bunch of housing that we took out earlier. We'll just need to punch in that bracket where we took it out from earlier. While installing, just make sure both the tabs, the right side and the left side, completely pop out. There you would notice both the tabs are completely in. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. we'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.